The bumper, we had an area come through and one edge. And the easiest thing, I think, is just to hit that with a little bit of color and then re-clear that whole bumper. I had a couple of other areas with similar issues, just dusting some color on. Now this whole area here, I didn't get complete coverage, and so I added a whole nother coat to that lower rocker there. And then we had just some light stuff on this door edge. Got our first coat on everything. We'll give it just a few minutes, come back. Got our clear on our bumper now. This is the first coat. I just started using that Devilbiss. Gotta say, it's a delight to spray with. Lays down a really nice finish. Devilbiss Prolite S. Just a neat little gun. I researched these guns quite a bit, these mini guns, before I bought one. I was kind of down to, I looked at the Sagola. It was a good bit more expensive than this one. The Devilbiss DV Compact, also more expensive, but it does come with 2 tips, so that kind of narrows that gap a little bit. But so far, I'm really pleased with this gun. If you're in the market for a mini gun, more specifically the Devilbiss Prolite S, and this one is with the TE5 and the 1.2 is what I went with. So the blending agent did super well back here. I mean, you cannot see where the spot end started. Pretty good here, it's still drying. Did good up here. All right, let's get her out in the sun and have a look. Still got to stick that bumper pad down tight. We are basically done with this dude. Now off to the shop for a lift kit, some tires and wheels. That pretty much wraps up this video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked this video, if it helped you, please like and subscribe. Catch up with me on whatever I'm working on next. Thanks, take care.